So hi guys, today we're going to be feeding the birds and checking them. So there's just one already snapped. We're going to give this to these. Yeah, you can put it in after.
Okay.
My sister's couple. They will check them all after.
That's my couple.
Snap that.
Okay.
You're going to put that in. Mine.
Okay.
Here.
They're right there.
It's fine. Just put them in. Both of them. Like that. Quick. Put it in. Don't be scared. Pass. Right, pass.
Okay,
So you're going to put it in like this, guys. This is how you feed them. Don't be scared of them as well, because they're not monsters.
Yeah, I know. And by the way, I'm not scared of them.
So, Yasmin, snap that one for me.
Okay.
Right, I'll show them some of the birds. So, right, give that to them. Ali's couple.
Okay.
Ali's couple. Then
okay, I've got one in my hand.
just open, put one in.
What do I put this
Put another one in. That one in.
Okay, the same one.
Yeah. But give them some. So now, anyone else? We're gonna give Emma some. Yasmin? Sudan some. So you just open the door like that. You pull it.
Okay, one sec.
Well, those trapped, I think. So you just do it like that. Put it in. The other one. The other one. The other one. The other one. We've got babies, remember, so we have to keep them. So we have to fed. Right, that's it. Right, you're going to snap this one for me.
Okay.
Now, we will give one to this one. Because these have babies, quick, and
yes,
it's a lot.
Babies, so.
Okay, remember, Yasmin, move it like that.
Oh, yes.
So now, we'll give it to this one. We'll show you why in a minute, guys.
Yes.
Put it in.
There's a big reason, because they're mine as well.
So, we'll start checking them now. Come on.
Okay.
I'll check my couple with the babies. They're lovely. Yeah.
They're so cute. They're all peeking now.
Move your head.
Okay, please move your head.
Right.
I think he just likes you. He likes looking into your eyes. Oh, Adam, don't squish his head.
There you go. So we'll close that. We'll check Ali.
She's in the nest right now.
Ali.
Just in
We're not necessarily. Right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6. Right, 7, I think. There. So well
do you want me to
done.
recount that?
No, I think it's 7. You can recount it if you want. These are just the leftover male zebra finches. And then Emma. There's Emma. There's her male. And I have no eggs, so yeah. Let's check this top budgie one. Move. So we don't want to scare them.
Oh my god.
Whoa, I've got a baby, guys. So that is the reason. I'm gonna give them more. That's good. That so.
Should we check Emma's
No, Emma doesn't have any. Well, look at the babies there. Should I give them a closer look, excuse me?
Yeah, give me a close look.
There, guys. They're the babies. So. There you go. I don't know. There's the zebra finches. We put baths in today, so he did it a bit wet. This top half is a bit wet. So. Hey, well, to do a check, isn't it? Oh, these are the zebra finches. Nothing yet, obviously, because they're new. And this is
Mia's couple.
Mia's couple. There you go, nothing there right now.
I haven't yet had any.
They've had
Yeah.
a few, but they didn't work. So, anyway.
This was Alice. She's in the nest. We don't want to scare her
You want
again.
the babies.
Oh my gosh, she's
Emma.
crazy.
The one Yasmin's with the eggs. They're the outside birds. And look, she's there. Just staring. Hello. Hello. So I think that's it. Do you think it means?
Oh,
Anyway, here are the babies. So yeah. So we're gonna go inside to check the Goldie and Finches. So So guys, yeah, the Goldie and Finches. So yeah, there's Miriam, our little girl.
She's quite simple.
There's Emily. So yeah. So we'll see you next time in our next video. So bye, like and subscribe. So bye.